Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm going to show you how to solve simultaneous equation using the substitution method. I have over here 3 examples and we're going to do these 3 examples together, okay? Let's start with question number 1 right now. We have 4x plus y is equal to 17, we have 2x plus y equals 9, and we need to solve for x and y. This is an example of a simultaneous equation, 2 equations given to us, and we need to figure out a way to solve the x and y. So how do we do this? Well, we're going to use the substitution method. Let's take a look at 2x plus y equals 9. I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to solve this equation in terms of y. So I'm going to say y is equal to 9 minus 2x. Okay? Again, I'm using the jump method. Positive 2x jumps across that equal sign and turns into minus 2x. So y is equal to 9 minus 2x. Now, since I know what y is, I'm going to substitute. And I'm going to place this equation and substitute it over here for y. So I'm going to get 4x plus 9 minus 2x is equal to 17. Okay? And now I'm just going to solve it since I have common like terms over here, 4x minus 2x. So 4x minus 2x is positive 2x. And 17 is on the right side, very good. Plus 9 is on the left side, so I'm going to jump across that equal sign and it becomes minus 9. And then I'm going to get 2x is equal to 17 minus 9, which is 8. And then of course you divide it by 2, divide it by 2, and we find that x is equal to positive 4. Okay? Now that I know what my x value is, I can simply plug in the x value in any of these equations and solve for y. Let's take the easy one, 2x plus y equals 9. So 2x, and I would substitute that with 4 plus y is equal to 9. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus y is equal to 9. Obviously, you can just do it this way. Y is equal to 9 minus 8. And find out that y is equal to 1. And there we go. We have our answer. In fact, it's a coordinate point. We know that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. And that is how we write the final answer, okay, for number 1. 4, comma, 1. That's how you do it, using substitution method. Let me show you the other examples. Let me delete all this. Okay, there we go. Let's try number 2 now. Again, we're going to do the same thing. We'll use the substitution method. So here we go. Let's do the substitution method. Let's get the pencil ready. Here we go. 5x plus 2y is equal to 13. X plus 2y equals 9. I'm going to do the same thing. I'll take this equation over here and I'm going to solve it in terms of x. So x plus 2y is equal to 9. I would like x on the left side, everything else on the right side. So 9 minus 2y. Okay, there we go. I solved in terms of x. I know what x is equal to. Now I'll take this and I'll substitute it in this equation right over here. So let's do it. So we have 5, 9 minus 2y plus 2y is equal to 13. Distributive property, let's multiply all out. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times minus 2y is minus 10y. Plus 2y is equal to 13. We have like terms, minus 10 plus 2y, so that becomes 45 minus 8y is equal to 13. Okay, continue on. Let me just make this a little bit bigger over here. Here we go. So let's solve for in terms of y. So minus 8y stays on the left side. Everything else goes on the right side. 13 is good. Positive 45 jumps across that equal sign, becomes minus 45. Okay, and then we get minus 8y is equal to 13 minus 45 is minus 32. And we just divide it by minus 8, divided by minus 8. And we find that y is equal to 32 divided by 8, positive 4. Minus minus positive. And there we go. We find that y is equal to 4. And now we need to know what x is. So I'm just going to take y equals 4 and plug it into one of my equations. Let's take the easy one right here. X plus 2y equals 9. So y is equal to 4. Let's substitute. X plus 2 multiplied by 4, right, is equal to 9. x plus 8 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 8. And finally, we find out x is equal to 1. And there we go. We have found our x value, found the y value, and the answer for number 2 will be coordinate point 1, comma 4. You see that? That's how you do with the substitution method. Let's do one more. We'll do one more real fast. Same technique, substitution. Okay, let's get this one right over here. Here we go. Alrighty, let's do the same technique again. We're going to do substitution method to solve this particular simultaneous equation. Let's take again the bottom equation right here, and let me solve in terms of, how about x again? So we have 2x minus 2y is equal to 14. By the way, I just selected x at random. I mean, you could solve it for y, you could solve for x. It's your choice. I chose x because it's positive. Okay, so I'm going to solve this in terms of x. So 2x is equal to 14 plus 2y. And since x is over here, my variable, let's get rid of it. Divided by 2. Then I have to divide this by 2. Then I have to divide this by 2 as well. Okay, cancels out. X is free. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Plus 2 divided by 2 is cancels, and it just becomes y. Okay, there we go. I solved for x. X is 7 plus y. Now let's just substitute into the top equation right over here. So 3 multiplied by 7 plus y plus 2y is equal to 11. Distributive property. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 3 times y is 3y. Plus 2y is equal to 11. Combine like terms. 3y plus 2y is 5y. Everything else goes on the right side. 11 is good. Plus 21 jumps across that equal sign and becomes minus 21. And we get 5y is equal to 11 minus 21 is minus 10. And finally, let's divide it by 5 both sides to solve for y. Y is equal to minus 10 divided by 5, which is minus 2. And there we go. We found that y is equal to minus 2. And now we simply substitute in either one of these equations in order to solve for x. I'll take the easy one again. Let me use this one right here. Let's see. Delete this right now for a second. So 2x minus 2 times y, which I substitute, and it becomes minus 2, is equal to, what is it? 14. So let's solve. So we get 2x minus 2 times minus 2 becomes positive 4 is equal to 14. 2x, variable on the left, everything else on the right, 14 minus 4. Because plus 4 jumps across that equal sign, becomes minus 4. Then we get 2x, let me delete that, is equal to 10, and divided by 2 both sides. And we finally get x is equal to 5. And there we go. Final answer, we know that for this particular simultaneous equation, the coordinate point x is going to be 5, and the coordinate point y is going to be minus 2. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you solve a simultaneous equation using the substitution method. Thank you.